Hi guys, good morning. I hope all are safe at home. Now the summer is also at the peak, so be careful, don't get dehydrated. Concentrate on your health also. In this video, I would like to explain about the top 15 NITs, where they are, in which state they are, and what should be the All India rank in order to get into the top 15 NITs. And before going to that, I will put 1 or 2 points out that the top 15 NITs has been categorized and what is the importance of the top 15 NITs. Now I am showing you the top 15 NITs. Basically, the top 15 NITs has been categorized by using the ranking given by Human Resources Department of India, and that ranking is called as NIRF ranking, where NIR is called NRF ranking is called as National Institutional Ranking Framework. Here they will consider the infrastructure of that particular campus and the staffs, and they can also consider the library, the placement cell, and their alumni. Basing on all these things, they will categorize the ranking. Here, out of 31 NITs, actually the total number of NITs across the country are 31. In these 31, I have considered only the top 15. Top 15. Why? Because the top 15 NITs which has been given on the board are below the 100 ranked, and the other even they have not been considered for that NIRF ranking. That means if you are a strong JEE aspirant, if you want to do your engineering course in NITs, you should prefer the course in top 15 NITs. That means the All India rank should be minimum of less than 19,000. Irrespective of category, your All India rank should be minimum of 19,000. This I am saying keeping in view of the previous analysis of past 3 years. If your All India rank is minimum less than 19,000, definitely there is a possibility for you enter into NITs, that is top 15 NITs. And one more thing I would like to say here, so many of the students are in the confused mode. Sir, if I want to join in a particular NIT, what is the local thing they will consider? That means if the student candidate belongs to local or non-local, how it will be considered? For example, if you belong to the state of Tamil Nadu or any state in the country from where you have written your class 12 examination, that particular place which belongs to a particular state, and that particular state for you will be local. That means, for example, if you are a Tamil Nadu aspirant, Tamil Nadu student writing your JEE Main examination, and you completed your class 2 from Chennai, then you will be the local for Tamil Nadu. If you are a student from Andhra Pradesh, if you are appearing your intermediate secondary examination from Rajahmundry, then you will be treated as local for NIT Tadepalligudem. That means every local students will have 85% of their reservation, and 15% will be for non-local. Here, in respect of that, if your rank is below 19,000, definitely there is a possibility for you enter into top 15 NITs. Let us see what are the top 15 NITs and what is their order and where they have been placed. Here, the first one is Trichy, NIT Trichy. The first one is NIT Trichy, where the rank was first rank in top 15 NITs, and it is in the state of Tamil Nadu. Here, you have to keep in mind, children, the NIT Trichy is almost equivalent to IITs. It can be comparable its infrastructure or its staff members, where everything can be comparable with the IIT Mumbai or IIT Chennai also. So, if the student is getting the seat in Trichy, he is always the luckiest, he will be the luckiest person. So, the first rank goes to Trichy, Tamil Nadu, and the second one goes to Roorkela, which is in Orissa. And the third rank goes to Surathkal, it is in Karnataka. Here I have not kept the NIRF ranking. Here I kept the ranking of the top 15 NITs. NIRF ranking will be same, will be different. It may be 20th rank or 30th rank. But here I consider only the top 15 where the rank is below 75 of the NIRF given by Human Resources Ministry of India. So Surathkal is the third position. Below, it is in the state of Karnataka. Fourth position is Warangal, which is in the state of Telangana. Fifth position is Allahabad NIT, which is in Uttar Pradesh. Sixth position is in Nagpur, which is in the state of Maharashtra. 7th position is NIT Calicut, which is in Kerala, and 8th position is Surat, which is in Gujarat. Here in NIRF ranking, when I observed from past 3 years, this ranking process has been started in 2015, children. In 2015 onwards, the rank between 2, 3, 4, 5 or has been something varying in among themselves, but always the number 1 belongs to Tirchi. Here 2, 3, 4, 5 positions has been jumbling when the ranking has been given. This ranking will be given on every year basis. It will change. So 8th position is the Surat, which the NIT is in Gujarat, and this is called as Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel NITs or college. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel University, which is in Gujarat, which is of 8th rank. And the 9th goes to Silchar NIT, which is in Assam. The 9th one position goes to Silchar, which is in Assam. And the 10th one I have written here. The 10th one is in Durgapur, which belongs to West Bengal. And similarly, if I follow the order, Hamirpur in Himachal Pradesh, Kurukshetra in Haryana, Bhopal in Madhya Pradesh, Jaipur in Rajasthan, Shillong in Meghalaya. Previously, this 15th position has been occupied by NIT belonging to Manipur. NIT belonging to Manipur. But now in the 2020 the analysis, here this has been taken over by the NIT Shillong belong to Meghalaya. Here, this is the top 15 NITs at various in various states, where if you get an all India rank approximately less than 19,000 irrespective of category, then there is a possibility to enter any one of the stream belonging to BE or BTech. So make sure that if you are a strong JEE aspirant, your upcoming slot for writing JEE examination, focus on it and do it well. In the next upcoming video, what I will do is, I will give what is the percentile in order to get the topmost streams in NITs belong to top 15. That means if you want to join the computer science, what might be your percentile and what might be your percentile if you want to join computer science, especially in Trichy. What should be your all India rank? Like that of analysis I will give in the next video. So make sure that if you are a strong JEE aspirant, if you are planning to do in NITs, then you should be in any one of these NITs. Why? Because out of 31, 15 has been considered for this NIRF ranking, and others even they have not been having any rank. If you take the NIT Tamil Nadu, Tadipalligudem belong to Andhra Pradesh, it do not have any rank. So make sure that you give your best shot for your JEE main examination, and make sure that you have been placed in this top 15 NITs, which has the wonderful alumni. Alumni means which consists of previous year batches working in different corporate sectors. They will pick you up when that selection process is going on. Thank you one and all for viewing this top 15 NIT list. And in the next session, I will give what should be your percentile, approximate percentile, so that you can enter into the top 15 NITs, and what should be the cutoff percentile to enter into the core streams of BE, such as computer science, ECE, mechanical and electrical. I will give that scenario for you. Thank you.